In the hills of Pyramid, Travancore, Anna Mani grew up in a world that expected girls to value marriage and jewelry above all else. But Anna was different. Her heart belonged to books, not diamonds. For her 8th birthday, she asked for the Encyclopedia Britannica and read every volume, page by page. By her teens, she had read nearly every book in her local library. Her mind was sharpened by science and stories. Inspired by Gandhi, she wore only khadi, signaling her independence and commitment to forging her own path. Anna's goal was to become a physicist, a significant ambition for a girl in early 20th century India. The girl who chose knowledge over tradition was about to change the course of Indian science.
Anna's journey as a scientist began at Presidency College, Chennai, where she was one of the few women studying physics and chemistry. She graduated with honors in 1940.
A beacon for women aspiring to careers in science. Her academic performance earned her a research scholarship at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, under Nobel Laureate C.V. Raman. Anna's research on the spectroscopy of diamonds and rubies produced 5 major papers and a PhD dissertation. However, her PhD was denied on a technicality. She lacked a master's degree. Instead of giving up, Anna's resolve only grew stronger. The setback redirected her passion, preparing her for a new scientific frontier. She was ready to measure not just the light in gems, but the energy of the entire sky.
Denied her PhD, Anna pivoted to meteorology, earning a government scholarship to study in London. At Imperial College, she mastered the design of weather instruments, barometers, anemometers, and more. This hands-on training was a perfect blend of her physics background and practical problem solving. In 1948, Anna returned to newly independent India and joined the Indian Meteorological Department in Pune. She was one of the few women in a male-dominated field determined to make India self-reliant in weather forecasting. Anna saw the country's dependence on imported instruments as a challenge to overcome. Her journey had led her to her true calling, building India's scientific infrastructure from the ground up. At the Meteorological Department, Anna led the Instruments Division, overseeing a team of over 100 men. She standardized and redesigned nearly 100 types of weather instruments, ending India's reliance on imports. Anna's mantra, "Wrong measurements are worse than none." Accuracy was everything. Under her leadership, India began producing its own rain gauges, barometers, and sunshine recorders, all rigorously tested. Her work empowered Indian scientists, saved foreign exchange, and fostered innovation. Anna's leadership broke gender barriers and built a nationwide network of weather stations. She gave India the tools and the foresight to predict storms, protect crops, and save lives. Anna's curiosity led her to the upper atmosphere, where she saw the need to measure solar radiation and ozone. She developed the Indian ozone sonde, a device that soared into the stratosphere to collect vital ozone data. For the first time, India could monitor its ozone layer, contributing crucial data to global science. Anna's network of monitoring stations made India a leader in atmospheric research. Her pioneering work provided early evidence of ozone dynamics, decades before the world woke up to the ozone crisis. When the Montreal Protocol was signed, Anna's data helped shape the global response. Her vision protected not just India, but life on Earth. Anna Mani's impact extended to renewable energy. She mapped India's solar and wind resources, laying the foundation for today's green revolution. Her handbooks became essential guides for scientists and engineers across the country. Anna trained generations of meteorologists, her clear writing and technical manuals shaping the field for decades. She led with quiet authority, proving that gender was no barrier to scientific achievement. "Me being a woman had absolutely no bearing on what I chose to do," she once said, a philosophy she lived every day. Anna inspired countless young women to pursue science, opening doors that had long been closed. Her legacy lives on in every weather forecast, every solar panel, and every climate alert that saves lives. Anna Mani's story is proof that one person's dedication to science can change a nation and light the way for generations to come. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe Knowledge Spectra for more knowledgeable information.